Hey Tubes, I blew a bag. Geez, that didn't sound right. But what's inside? The one that's buggered. Let's go do an incision down here. Try and expose inside so we can see what's inside an airbag, because probably nothing, but just curiosity got me, so I thought I'd film it. Give me a sec, I can't do it one-handed. Nothing too exciting. That's just the top of the bag there, like with bolts on. A lot of you knew this already. And this here, it's just welded the two bolts on. One there, and there's where the air comes in and goes out. That's just your. That's it. That's what's inside an airbag. I had to know, folks.